Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to withdraw SLOAN Shopee to GCash. When it comes to accessing your SLOAN funds, Shopee gives you a simple and flexible way to move your money where you need it. Once your SLOAN is approved, the amount will either be deposited into your bank account or placed in your Shopee Pay wallet. If it's sent to your bank, you can transfer it to GCash just like any regular fund transfer. But if it lands on Shopee Pay, open the app, head to Shopee Pay, and tap Send Money, choose e-wallets, and you'll see GCash right on the list. Enter the full name tied to your GCash account and the correct mobile number, and feel free to save the recipient if you want faster transfers in the future. Confirm the details, press Next, and complete the process. In just a few steps, your S-Loan balance moves smoothly from Shopee Pay to GCash. And remember, because this is S-Loan, a loan product, Shopee may require all funds to pass through Shopee Pay before you can send them to an external wallet. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.